guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title of the video and maybe by the background of my room, I'm gonna be going through literally all my clothes. I literally finished school like 2 hours ago and this is like the first thing I wanted to do on break. So we're gonna get right into it. And also I was trying to do like the one ponytail thing, but as you can see, this is literally like my hair is in 4 braids and it's as thick as it should look in one. Like, you know what I'm saying? If I just had 2. So it's in 4 because I could not make it look good with 1, so I just thought, why not do 2? But yeah, I just put on a tube top because if I try stuff on, it's easier just to like pair bottoms with or put stuff over, so I don't have to, like, if I'm wearing a sports bra it just doesn't look good or I can't see it correctly. But yeah, hi, my name is Lindsay. If you're new here, I'd love you to subscribe. A lot of this stuff is going on my Depop. I'm gonna show you guys. That's kind of mostly what the video is gonna be of. Like, I'm not gonna go like, oh, should I keep this on camera? I think I'm just gonna go like, this is the stuff I'm getting rid of and putting on my Depop. That's what I've been planning to do, so I'm really going to be posting a lot on there because I have a lot of like stuff I've thrifted even in the past few months that I'm just like not wearing. So if you've been watching my thrift hauls and you enjoy the stuff I thrift, maybe you'll see some stuff on my Depop. So just keep an eye out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this hair is really fun to flip around because I feel like I have a weapon or something, and it just worked the best this way. Like, my hair has layers in it and you can already see it's sticking out, so I just really want my hair to grow longer so I can have like really long braids. I don't know why I got it cut the last time I got it cut, but anyway, I may do some time lapses, show you guys some stuff. I don't really know how I'm gonna do this video because I know it's kind of boring if it's just time lapses of me like going through stuff. I don't like watching time lapse things, so that's just my preference. But this is my Depop. I'll put it right here. It's always linked in the description. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. I'm so excited to literally get rid of things. Like, I've had so many bags of stuff that I literally have never donated. So I'm just donating a bunch of stuff because it's like 2014 fashion stuff that I literally haven't gotten rid of yet. And then newer stuff that I've thrifted I'll be putting on my Depop. I do e-transfer if you want to do that on Depop, so you can just send me your address and then I can just delete the post after we do the e-transfer, because obviously that's cheaper than Depop taking a cut of pay and making it more expensive for me to list it as. So yeah, just another option if you are in Canada. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, I just found this shirt. I totally forgot I thrifted this. I was like, I remember when I got it, I was like, do I want this? Let me just show you. So it's a sequin Betty boot top. I'm literally obsessed with it. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of it. Like, I feel like you just wear this like under like a sweater, like an oversized sweater, and it would look normal. Like, it's Betty Boop, like you can't go wrong with her, and she's sequined, so I can't just get rid of her. But I think I'm gonna get rid of this this skirt. It's a little big. So, yeah, this is one of the items I think I'm gonna keep, but I totally forgot about it, and it just reminds me how much I need to go through my clothes because I have too many things that I forget about, and then I get stressed because I haven't worn them. So anyways, this is just one of the items that I'm keeping, but I'll update you guys on what ones I'm selling. So okay, I just found this skirt. I'm actually kind of think it's kind of cute. I used to think it was too long. I don't know why it seems shorter now. Maybe because I pulled it up higher, but it's actually so cute, and I think I want to keep it because it's like a perfect tweed plaid. The only thing I don't like is this black waistband, but I thought I was gonna sell this. I literally had it in my sell pile, but she's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting when you find things that you didn't think you would like, so keeping her. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of this skirt. I remember I got it. It was like on sale at the thrift store, like really cheap. Like, it was like a bag sale or something. So I just got it because it was cute, but I think it just doesn't fit me how I would want. Like, it's too long. You know what I'm saying? And it's kind of like the stretchy material, so it doesn't like fall nicely. So I think I'm just gonna take pictures for Depop. Or I'm just gonna screen grab this video, maybe. That's probably the easiest. Here's the skirt. I'm just gonna screen grab this. So it's like a patchwork little piece going on. I don't know, super cute. I don't know what size it is, but I'm like a size 4, so if you're interested, check out my Depop. So these pants, I'm wearing spandex underneath just because I was just trying them on, but these pants are from Forever 21. I got them like a year ago or a year and a half ago because I was like, it was like when they were closing, so I was like, why the heck not? They were kind of really ugly on me. Like, they literally look like I don't know, like it's like a weird cropped length. I don't know why I wore the, like, I feel like cropped is so out right now. Like, it's just not, like, I'm just so used to like really long jeans or really long like trousers, and just seeing this like halfway up my shin is just really ugly to me right now. I don't know, I can't explain it, but if you like that look, honestly, probably sell these for like super cheap because they were probably really cheap in the first place and they're not the best quality, but I literally wore them once. So if you're interested, let me see if I can get, yeah, here they are. They are cropped. Like, I am 5'6"-ish. My legs are pretty average, I'd say. I have a long torso. Yeah, these are like cute. I wore them for like Thanksgiving once. So if you're interested, they'll be on my Depop. But they will be cheap because they are from Forever 21, and I'm not about scamming people for cheap quality things. So obviously I'm gonna mention probably gonna be like $10 or something with shipping. Like shipping on top of that, but yeah. Okay, I literally wore them once though. I'm really torn about these ones. Okay, so these are from Zara. I got them like 2 years ago when I was like first like this was like different for me. I remember thinking like, oh my god, these pants are so different than, like, I never shop at Zara. Like, I was shopping, like, I don't know where the heck I was shopping, but this is like 2018. Me, I think they were in like a lookbook I did in like 2017 or 2018. But I was like getting into fashion at that point, but they're not my style now, I don't think. They're a nice length though. They go, one of the hems is actually coming off, so that's another thing, but they're, again, like tapered pants, and like I just like, I don't know, like they're cute, but like I just like this pattern. I don't know. I haven't worn them in over a year, so again, they'll be pretty cheap because I literally wore them only a few times, but they are from Zara, so yeah, they're gingham. I used to say gingham. And I thought it was pronounced gingham, but it's a gingham, and that makes way more sense. It just sounds more proper. So yeah, they are a gingham pattern. Good condition. The only thing is one of the ankles, the hem came undone, so but you can just easily like re-sew it on. But yeah, I'm going to be selling those for sure. Also, I'm not gonna try this on, but I have this little really cute shirt. It's like a weird material though. It's like a bathing suit material, kind of. The only thing, I'm gonna wash it. It has a little stain there. It just doesn't fit me in the boob area quite right. It's really cute though, so I know someone will really like this. So I'm gonna be selling this on my Depop. I just don't really, it doesn't look good on me enough to try on, so yeah, I cannot zip this up all the way, but this is a dress, again from Forever 21. I remember I bought this in Toronto when I was like going shopping with Meg, I think like our first weekend free or something, like September. It's cute, it's just like, ugh. These straps are super long. I think you can shorten them, but it literally still has a tag on it, so this is the dress. A bandeau on it and shorts underneath, so if you see any bunching, that's what that is. So this is the dress. I really hate it on me. Wow, this is so ugly. But, yeah, I can't zip it up, so this is just what it looks like. It's really stretchy. I think it's a small, but it's just not my vibe anymore at all. Like, literally hate bodycon dresses. Anyways, unless they're like little slip dresses or something. So yeah, this will be on my Depop. Okay, hey guys, it is now about 2 days later. I thought I would just like wrap up this video because I feel like I don't want it to be too long, and I'm not going to show you every single piece I was getting rid of. But this is the pile of things I'm going to be selling on my Depop. I think the top, like I have a bag under there, but the top is stuff I still need to go through. I have one of those fuzzy jackets in there. It's so funny to me that I had so many of those. I'm like, do I even want to keep it? Like, they're nice and warm and big if you're just like going outside for a quick sec, but like I wouldn't wear it as a fashion thing anymore. Like, fashionably I would be like, oh, this goes with my outfit because they're so out of style right now. Anyway, if you like them, wear them all you want. I'm just not a fan really anymore. They are nice and big and cozy, but I don't think they're coming back into style. Yeah, that's my palette to sell. And then my closet, here, I'll show you. There's so many empty hangers. The stuff I'm getting rid of, I already like got out of my room because obviously it takes up a lot of space. But my closet doesn't even look that much more empty, but like I have like a bunch of empty hangers. I have a bunch of stuff I need to refold up there, but like it's honestly so much better. Like I can actually move it. Like I just had so much unnecessary stuff in there. But yeah, me and my sister are going thrifting now, mostly to look for Christmas gifts. But I'm obviously going to look at clothes and stuff, and I'm gonna look at a lot of room decor stuff because I'm really hoping to redo my room over the break. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go check out my Depop. I'll put my username here. It's always linked in the description, and I may like go on TikTok and like just do like videos of like this is stuff I'm selling on Depop, just so to give people an idea of like what I'm selling, I guess. But yeah, I have another video coming that I'm gonna film today, so watch out for that, and I will see you guys. I may vlog thrifting too, I don't know. I'll see you guys though in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, that really means a lot. And okay, bye.